Please watch Mr. Nueva Ecija on July 27.
Evening, I'm Mark Christian Viberil. I'm representing Palayan City.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Kyle Villanueva na nagmula sa bayan ng San Antonio.
Good evening, I'm John Java representing Talavera.
Good evening, my name is Mark Lepidena and representing Santa Rosa.
Hi, mabuhay. My name is Mark Jefferson Macamislang and I am representing the city of Cabanatuan.
Marami po ang nag-iintay sa inyo for Mr. Nueva Ecija at kayo ay trending ngayon, di ba? What will make you a winner? What makes you different from any other candidates that make you a winner?
What makes me a winner is for me is my authenticity. Because for me, I didn't join in this pageant because of the prizes or the popularity and the privilege that I will have. I joined in this pageant to represent my root, my city, Palayan City, and to showcase what my capabilities and how I will be an inspiration for my people and all of the supporters.
Kayo po, pag nanalo po dito sa Mr. Nueva Ecija, you will be representing for the national pageant. So what will make it different from any other mga cities and municipalities na makakalaban ninyo?
Siguro po alam naman po ng bawat isa sa atin na wala naman po yan sa kanya-kanyang galing or kanya-kanyang talento dahil ang feeling ko mapapakita ko kasi is yung mga natutunan ko sa mga nakakaraan kong pageant at yung ibibigay kong kaya ko pang ibigay or mas ipakita ko pa sa kanila kung ano yung kakayahan ng mga taga San Antonio. Yun lang.
Medyo malakas din po ang ating laban for the Mr. Nueva Ecija. But there are also other personalities na malalakas din. So how would you be able to topple down? Paano mo sila malalabanan at tuluyang maitumba?
Yes po, we all know na we have our own strength and weaknesses. So regarding po dun, of course, yung knowledge ko, yung bawat stage na sinasampahan ko, it's either win or lose. So it's either win or lesson. So yung mga lessons po na yun is ina-apply ko sa mga darating ko pang pageant. Like Mr. Nueva Ecija.
Okay. So saan mo po kami dadalhin? Kami po ay from any other places, kami lahat. So if ever dadalhin mo po kami sa Nueva Ecija, anong place ito at bakit?
Sa Santa Rosa po. And kaya kayo gustong dalhin sa Santa Rosa para maipakita yung ganda ng Santa Rosa dito sa Nueva Ecija. Bukod sa Mountain View, we have Fort Magsaysay. The one of the big camp of the Philippines. And yeah.
Yeah, we saw you naman po on other pageants. Ano po ang lesson na nakuha mo doon na you were gonna apply for the betterment of your gagawin para sa Mr. Nueva Ecija?
You know what? One thing that I learned is for me to enjoy every moment of it, to savor every moment of it. Because when I joined the previous pageant, the national pageant that I've joined, I actually pressured myself so much that I aimed to win. I forgot to enjoy every moment of it. And that is the most important thing. Because if you enjoy every moment of it, you will learn a lot of things, especially making friends. That's why I am the Mr. Congeniality of that
Okay.
pageant.
Marami pong salamat to each and every one. Good luck to your journey here and see you on the coronation night. Tingnan natin kung sino pa ang hirangin the first ever Mr. Nueva Ecija. Congratulations, everyone.